are particular, I sniff them out indubitably. Usually very accented against the background, and I don't back down. Fools must be cracked out, thinking they gon' boss up. Awesome, space cadets get a plane, a jet over the sunset. Once that vanishes, panic sets in. The vampire anthem is banished to the land of never. Massive measures got them trapped in terror wherever I view. Grown adults acting like the terrible twos. I carefully peruse the options.
When we work out, we're stronger, we're sharper, we're healthier, we're happier. But it can be hard to fit that daily dose of endorphins in. We're overscheduled, we're stressed, we're sedentary, but we don't have to be. That's why we created the Double Flex Black. It's fitness that fits your lifestyle. The Double Flex Black is built to withstand your toughest workout. Patented Spiroflex resistance technology trains opposing muscle groups with each movement, helping you build a balanced body in less time. And we know it works. NASA used this same technology to train its astronauts in the International Space Station. A NASA study proved that Spiroflex resistance increased lean muscle.
Introducing the world's first customizable e-sneaker, Vixel. Vixel has a built-in flexible LED display that allows you to personalize your footwear with thousands of unique designs and photos instantly from your smartphone. The slim, modern design is available in black and white. Vixel allows you to upload your personal designs, GIFs, and photos right from your smartphone. Simply capture, upload, and display. You can also create your own designs or choose from thousands of existing graphics on the Vixel Design Marketplace. It's equipped with 8 different sensors. OpenAPI gives you limitless possibilities. VCSEL motion capture system allows for integration within the VR and AR world. It also captures your foot movement in the real world instantly and reacts to your every move.
There we go. We're done. This is it. Hustle. If I can wear shoes that try to mistake the grind, I'm done. That's all I need. How can I sign up? Give me a picture. You could be promoting your